Hey everyone, over the last couple of days I've been reading a lot of articles about how some of the best athletes come from really poor backgrounds, such as the Portuguese soccer player Ronaldo or the Korean figure skater Kim Yana. Apparently, Kim Yana's family was so poor when she was growing up that she had to wear really bad ice skates that were far too small for her feet. I was also reading about soccer in Africa. A lot of people in Africa that I read about are so poor they can't even afford shoes and they can't even afford a soccer ball. Instead, what they do is they often wrap string and tape to make a ball. And you might be asking yourself, what does this have to do with jumping rope? Well, I think a lot. You know, I often talk with people who get kind of paralysis by analysis. There's so much information online about the perfect jump rope, the perfect exercise equipment, the perfect workout that a lot of people don't even get started. And in terms of jump rope, there's so many jump ropes out there to choose. What I suggest doing, if you want to start jumping rope, just go out to a store and buy a basic jump rope just for a few dollars. You can buy a basic PVC jump rope and you can use that. And then if you enjoy jumping rope, then you can start trying out different brands, different types of jump rope. In my hand here, for example, I have a kid's jump rope. And you can see there isn't even any handles on this jump rope, but you can still use this to jump rope. Don't let the tools you have limit you to what you can do. So jumping rope with a cheap kid's rope like this, no, it's not ideal, but it's better than nothing. If this is all I had, I would be better off trying to jump rope with it than not at all. This rope, for example, as I said, it's really lightweight, so it's difficult to spin around. I really have to use my arms a lot more than I would normally recommend. It's also very short. It doesn't even come up to my chest, and I don't have any handles on it to help spin the rope. It also twists and kinks very easily, and that's one thing I recommend. If you're going to buy a PVC jump rope, try to buy one that doesn't twist or kink easily. So if you can take it out of the package before you buy it and just make sure it's not too twisted, or see if you can get the twist out of it just with your hands. And if the twists don't come out of it too easily, it might not be worth buying. And if you already do have a rope that's twisted, I've provided a link down below to a video that I made that tells you how you can help to get the kinks out of a twisted jump rope. So yes, I know there's so many different jump ropes to choose from, different workouts. Don't let that stop you from getting started. Go out, get yourself a jump rope. Just begin. And then later on, you can try out different ropes, different brands. All right, thanks for watching. Until next time.